Okay guys, hello. So today I'm going to the gym. It's Sunday, which is a rest day, but it's a really nice day outside and I really want to go to the gym. I don't want to be sat inside, so I may as well just go. Every single part of my body is aching because I switched up my routine last week and I was not prepared for that. I'm going to just do a really heavy session, maybe do some squats and some hand cleans or something like that, just because I haven't done anything like that in a while. I've been focusing on bodybuilding because obviously I need to get a bit bigger, and but what I really do enjoy doing is lifting heavy weights for lower reps, have more sets, that sort of thing. I just love the feeling of moving some heavy weights. So let's go. On a scale of 1 to a billion, how strong is your son?
2 billion.
Ah! It's true. It's so true. It's legitimate.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
rest day, but I think that it was a good idea really, because now all I want to do is sit down and do nothing. So definitely squat on your rest days. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and comment down below, tell me what videos you want to see next. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, I truly appreciate it, and I will see you soon. Bye.